Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mohsin Riaz, Subject Specialist, Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. I welcome you on online classes at DPS and Inter College, Sahiwal. Let's have a look on today's lesson.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Learning objectives of the today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the script of Indus Valley civilization, describe the agricultural patterns of Indus Valley civilization. Dear students, as you know, we have already discussed the system of measure and weights, system of regular administration of Indus Valley civilization, cleaning work that peoples had been appointed to clean the cities, sections of society have been divided into different sections. Town planning, it means how people used to live in Indus Valley civilization. And lifestyle of Indus Valley civilization. There we have learned about their houses, their jobs, dresses, workforce, food production, segregation of work between men and women. So likewise, we will discuss modes of writing of Indus Valley civilization. So it is obvious that people of Indus Valley civilization could read and write. The Indus script is the writing system developed by the Indus Valley civilization. It is the earliest form of writing known in the India. So the Indus script, which is also known as Harappan script, is a corpus of symbols produced by Indus Valley civilization. Most inscriptions containing these symbols are extremely short, making it difficult to judge whether or not these symbols constituted a script used to record a language or even symbolize a writing system. So now we will discuss modes of writing. However, their mode of writing was very interesting and complicated. A supreme system of writing was conducted in that period, which had 400 symbols. Merchants, soldiers, and political personalities used them. Scribes. Scribes were the professionals who know how to read and write. They prepare seals. Scribe was one of the most influential profession of Indus Valley civilization. So as we look at this, these are the symbols. There are some other symbols that were used by the scribes to communicate. So now we will discuss what is the archaeologist's view about Indus Valley civilization. The experts of archaeology department could not find their meaning till now. Certainly, some experts have formed an idea that these scripts consisted of more than one languages. There are many aspects of this civilization which are still hidden. Experts did not read the words and the mode of writing of this civilization. So now we will discuss agriculture of Indus Valley civilization. The basic occupation of people living in Indus Valley was: there are basically 4 types of professions at that time. The first one was constructor. They did planned construction of buildings. Number 2 were scribes. These were the professionals who know how to write and read. craftspersons, farmers and herders. So these are the professions of the Indus Valley civilization. Now we will discuss role of farmers in the Indus Valley civilization. Now we will discuss role of farmers. Farmers made the soil fit for cultivation after cutting forest. Soil of Indus Valley was fertile. Dependence of its wealth was upon trade and agriculture. People reared cattle, sheep, goat and buffalo. Now we will discuss certain tools which were used by Indus Valley people for the sake of agriculture. They developed some new tools known as plough. These were used to dig earth for planting the seeds and turning the soil fit for cultivation. Methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation was used due to less rainfall. Water and pastures were present around many cities. People retained the water to make banks on rivers for cultivation. Huge storehouses used for storing grains, they were called granaries. Ready. The signs of crops which have been found from the settlement, it was said on this base that the wheat, millet, barley, which is peas, Indian millet, sesame seed, rice, linseed, mustard seed, and cotton was produced. The signs of fruits. The signs of dates, melon, and grapes have been found among fruits. Now we will recapitulate the whole topic, that is script and agriculture. स्क्रिप्ट में हमने देखा कि इंडस वैली के रहने वाले लोग लिखना और पढ़ना जानते थे. उनका लिखने का तरीकाकार क्या था, वो कौन सी सिंबल्स यूज़ करते थे, इस्तेमाल करते थे ताकि कम्युनिकेट कर सकें, राब्ता रख सकें, और इस ज़बान को, इस स्क्रिप्ट को कौन से लोग इस्तेमाल करते थे, जिनमें मर्चेंट्स, सोल्जर्स और पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स शामिल थे. ये 400 के करीब सिंबल्स थी जो कि इनका कम्युनिकेशन का, राब्ते का एक ज़रिया थी. इस तरह से हमने एग्रीकल्चर में देखा कि इंडस वैली के लोगों का पेशा एग्रीकल्चर था. फार्मर्स अपना किरदार अदा कर रहे थे. इन्होंने स्पेशल किस्म के टूल्स जो थे वो डेवलप किए और इरिगेशन का सिस्टम बनाया. रिवर्स के साथ बैंक्स बनाकर पानी को स्टोर किया जाता, वो फिर उस पानी को इरिगेशन के पर्पसेस के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता. इसी तरह से जो खुराक तैयार की जाती, जो क्रॉप्स तैयार की जाती, उन क्रॉप्स को स्टोर हाउसेस में स्टोर किया जाता, जिनको ग्रेनरीज का नाम दिया गया था. इस तरह से फार्मर्स जो थे, कैटल, शीप्स, गोट्स एंड बफलोज, इनको चरागाह पे लेके जाते थे, इनको चराते थे. और इसी तरह से इंडस वैली की खुदाई के दौरान फसलों के जो निशानात मिले हैं, उनमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स की क्रॉप्स हैं. इस तरह से फ्रूट्स में डेट्स, मेलन एंड ग्रेप्स अहम हैं. So now we will discuss the assessment. So the first question, which script was used in Indus Valley civilization? Yes, very right. Harappan script was used in Indus Valley civilization. So the next question is, Harappan script was used by politicians, merchants, A and B. Yes, very right. A and B, both merchants, politicians, and soldiers were used such script. So who will tell me how many symbols were used in Harappan script? Yes, very right. 400 symbols were used in Harappan script. Okay, who will tell me where were crops stored? Yes, very right. Crops were stored in granaries. What were called the tools of agriculture? Yes, very right. Option B. Plough is called the tool of agriculture. What was the major profession of Indus Valley people? Yes, very right. Agriculture was the major profession of Indus Valley people. So now it's a time of home assignment. Learn and write the topic Script and Agriculture of Indus Valley Civilization. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you found any difficulty, you may ask on the WhatsApp. Keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.